Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video on doodling, and this is completely beginner friendly. Trust me, even a kid can try this, and I mean it. So I've kept the entire doodling around fruits. So we are doodling fruits together. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm drawing a very basic form of fruit and which is quite easy to try. So here it goes. You have to draw a circle with the help of any instrument, and that's how you connect the lines to make different kind of fruits. So here I am drawing a cut sliced lime, and there you go. The next one is the apple. This easy it is. Few wavy lines inside the circle and you get a watermelon. And the pineapple. Just drawing few lines in between. And that's it. Now giving some color touch to it, and there you go. Now let's try some individual fruits. So this is how you can draw watermelons in plenty of ways. Just draw a circle and follow the steps, and that's it. Later on you can add colors to it to make it look more pretty. So here are the different ways you can draw a single fruit. And once you've drawn the basic shape, you can add characters to your doodle by just adding eyes and expressions to it. Here I am trying out a fun doodle with watermelons and adding a bit of doodles to it. So this is how you can play with the shapes, and you can add your own imagination to the drawing and make it look more fun. All of the deep doodles I am drawing are for showing you how much you can play with your ideas, and you can later on give it a color and a good look. So let's do another fruit. Let's say lemon or orange. They both are the same, just you have to change a bit of color and make orange look more rounder. So here we go with the different kinds of ways in which you can draw lemons. This is the one idea that we drew previously. I'm repeating over here. The next, you can just make a rounder shape for giving a look of orange, add a bit of expressions, and your doodle is ready. Let's move on to the fruit mango. Here is a fun doodle idea that you can make with the fruit mangoes. You can always play with your doodles, and also you can try making few puns. And here we go. That's how I play with words and with doodles. There are few more fun doodles which I have made, and I'll show you. So this is what I made with lemon, a pun with lemon saying lemonade. Then the next one is you are my main squeeze. You can always add these doodles to any card that you're gifting or anything like that to someone. So this is what I did with the fruit mango. And a few puns with melon. So there are plenty of words you can play with in melon. So here are a few examples. You can always add these things in your cards for gifting someone. And if you are a bullet journal fan, you can add these fruit doodles, or you can make a theme spread related to the same. I also tried making few stickers with this doodle, and I'm definitely going to add it in my bullet journal. So now that I've showed you how you can play with the fruit doodles, let's make a fun doodle drawing with all the fruits included in it. So I've tried to keep the doodles pretty much beginner friendly because I've got a lot of requests from you people about doodling, how to doodle and how to teach doodling to kids. So this is one of the easiest way one can doodle and as well as have fun while doodling. So this is what I drew. I drew with basic shapes and then added a few characters and colors to it, and it turned out to be vibrant and looks beautiful.
Okay, so I've noticed that many of my viewers are interested in doodling and learning doodling. So do suggest what other topics will you like to learn or like to see on this channel coming up. So I'll definitely try and make a video for it. If you like today's video, hit the like button below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye, take care.